I said it.
I'm fixing to smoke me a cigarette right here.
I'm about as old-fashioned as I can be. You're looking at me. Well, you're looking at country.
Well, April, I can't find my key to my car.
Now, I done told you.
Huh? What'd you say? I couldn't hear you.
I told you, Lisa.
Now,
you need to stop messing with that eye doctor because, well, you just can't. You're too old to be taking your dentures out like that.
Yeah, but I was talking about dentures, not the eyes. You know? Man, it's so cold out here, and I can't get my cigarette out of the car. Hold on. Ow. Now, I want you to do that sound you do. It's so funny. It makes me laugh. Oh, man.
Well, if it makes you feel good inside and all bright and shiny, I'll do it.
Okay.
I'll do it for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Well, I'm kind of tired, though. Now, hold on a second. I got to get my glass.
Oh, shit. I can't even light. I'm trying to light this cigarette here.
I can't see a damn thing over here, and there's freaking rats running around the damn cupboards. Well, there they are.
I knew it.
I put my glasses on because I can't find my dentures.
Okay.
The doctor, you know, he made them so small. I don't know why. I got teeth like a damn cow.
Oh, no, I can't do this.
Oh, here they are.
Oh.
Okay.
Are you there, April?
Oh, what you gonna do now?
I just dropped the damn phone. I'm trying to light this cigarette here.
Well, I told you about that smoking. I don't know see how. You just keep it up.
Well, it's so damn dark out here. My goodness.
You know you gotta take care of your circulatories.
I know this.
You can't keep doing this to yourself.
Hold on. I can make that sound.
Now, come on, Lisa.
You. Oh, shit. Hello? Oh, damn. Hello?
Yes, I'm here now.
Oh, okay.
I'm right. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I thought I lost you there for a minute.
No, I've been here this whole time.
Oh, I thought I lost you there for a minute there. You bad. You bad. Bad. Oh my God, the baby's good as dog. I'm fucking serious. Please, water. There's no fucking dog. Listen. I'm gonna go out back and do it by the goat.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, hold on.